learning are divided into 7 different departments. The first department we have in Nec-computers is the computer design department, where we train people on software, where we train people on AutoCAD, ArchiCAD, Revit Architecture, 3D Max, Inventor, Atlantis, AutoPlan. We do structural analysis and design using StarPro, Orion, and Civil 3D. We do SolidWorks. The second department we have in Nec-computers is the oil and gas software department, where we train people on PDMS, Aspen High-Speed process piping, P&ID, that is piping instrument diagram, pipe assembly, and pipe flow diagram. The third department we have in Nec-computers is the programming software department, where we train people on basic programming, that is QBasic and Visual Basic. People thought it's outdated, but that is actually the ABC to programming. Then we have the C#, C++, Java, Python, MATLAB, and Simulink, PHP, mobile application development, software development, coding and robotics, UI, UX, web development and hosting, artificial intelligence, machine learning, data science, cloud computing, and many more. We do all that in this department. The fourth department is the computer networking department, where we train people on network M+, CCNA, CCNP, laptop and desktop repair and maintenance, CCTV installation, training, and computer A+. The fifth department is the desktop operation and graphic design department. We train people on basic computer, diploma in computer, secretarial studies, CorelDRAW, Photoshop, Illustrator, and many more in this department. Then we have the project management department, where we train people on Primavera P6, Microsoft Project, Enterprise Project, Structure Prince 2, electrical design, drafting and installation, building design, training, quantification and estimation, that is budgeting, and PMP preparation exam. The last and not the least department is the accounting software department, where we train people on database design using MySQL and Oracle software. We have the SQL to enterprise management, P3, QuickBooks Sage, SPSS, eViews, and digital marketing. These are the structure of our training in Nec-computers.
All right, Mr. Winyasa, you agree with me that there are several computer training centers.
Exactly.
So, what's unique about Nec-computers?
I told you that you come as a zero in computer and you go as a hero.
As a hero.
Yes. Now there are specific skills that are selling now. When you hear of test skills, people say, I want to upgrade my test skills. What are the courses they go into? It's not all the courses I mentioned. We have courses like data science. Data science have to get vital information from data. Every company generates data. Even in your office, you have a list of people. You have us as a customer. Every company have data. Be it manufacturing, production, services, they have people they work with, so they have data. In the hospital, they have data. Data science are the people that will work on this data and use it to give informed decision about the future. You know, the future works on information. The way the company work on information, what has happened before, what do we do to make our future great? That is based on data. So people that work on this data are data science. We treat that in Nec-computers. Something happened 2 weeks ago. A company called us from GROE to come and teach them data analysis. In the process of training, they brought out some of their documents. This is what they want us to do. When we are doing our bargaining, we talk about Excel, we talk about Python, we talk about a software called Anaconda. These are the software we use for data science. But after Excel, they say they are not doing it again.
Why?
I said, guys, what happened? They say all what they need to do has been done in Excel. And you know what? They have been using Excel since. That means they have been using small aspect of Excel. And that is what that is what people are doing, majority of people are doing. If you come to Nec-computers, we open your eye in Excel, you will know what that software is. In fact, where Microsoft finished work is in Excel. Come to Nec-computers and see. They were able to carry out everything. Another thing people are doing now is software development. Software development is just like every organization, every company, they are not automated. They are now they now use computer process in their production. If you go to production company, they have their production process automated by computer. If you go to services, if you go to construction, all of them you can use software to do everything and simulate it and get the final result even when you have not started. So you can plan where there will be an error. You will see it and you make appropriate provisions for that. We do that. So every company work on software. We teach you how to create software. Even I went to UPS to do something that day. Every drugs we bought, they gave us its risk. They have all the drugs installed. It is in pharmacies, in business places. We teach you how to develop those software, and you don't need to work in an organization. You can work on your own as an individual. You can work in an organization like MBIG. It doesn't restrict to Nigeria, no. You can work in Nigeria, outside Nigeria. We do that in Nec-computers. We do web development. The process of building, presenting, and managing website is what we call web development. Just like If I want to make inquiry in a particular place, I'll go there and visit and ask the people, what did you do here? They will give me all the information, they will give all the information about that place. But what if I'm in Lagos
And you need information.
I need information? Where would I go? It's on the website.
Yeah.
I mean, every company, every organization, every business, even church, individual, they have a website.
Yeah.
The job is endless. If you want to become a web creator, complete website designer, come to Nec-computers. We have people that can teach you and give you extra.
All right.
We have been doing that, we can still do it again. What about graphic designing? Graphic design is the art and practice of planning, projecting ideas and experiences with visual and textual content. People think graphic design is Photoshop.